Hi guys, this is our second strategy for today. It's Matthew again. Today is March 2nd 2021, and we are using the same strategy, just our barrier is different. The same strategy as the first Volatility 10 touch no touch strategy. The barrier is different, so let's just, before we proceed with this strategy, for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boot, just to let you guys know that the version 5.2 is out today, March 2021, and I've sent it to all those who have previously purchased the boot. Here are some of the results for the boot, March 2021. It's just 9.99 USD, and you can make payment using Bitcoin, web money, perfect money, debit card, bank transfer. Just visit the order page www.touchscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng to order the boats. It's affordable and is effective. The Martigale function has been added to this version 5.2, so that's more reason why you need to purchase the boat. And remember, you get all our updates at no extra cost, so just visit the link to purchase the boat. Here are some of the results on boats.binary.com as well. March 2021, you can see right here it's all green. The PIPSREAPER boat as well has been updated today. The boat is just 7.99 USD. It has been updated for enhanced performance, and we send the update to all those who have previously purchased the boat, so you can order the two boats and receive updates at no extra costs. And here are some of the results. The boat works best on the binary.com interface. You can see right here it's all green, just 7.99 USD. This is March 2021. You can see some of the results right here. So just visit www.binarypipsreaper.ctytechnologies.com.ng to order the PIPSREAPER boat. And don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. Just share our channels on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all the social apps, YouTube. Share it among all subscribers, new traders, aspiring traders, professional traders. All our strategies are free, and you can earn a lot of money if you know how to watch the charts and follow all the steps we shown on our videos. Just make sure you subscribe to all our channels. Here again are the links to purchase the PIPSREAPER boat. Is the link. We are going to paste all these in the video description on YouTube. So to order the PIPSREAPER boat, just visit www.binarypipsreaper.ctytechnologies.com.ng, and to order the TOUCHSCALPER boat, don't forget the Martingale function has been added to the TOUCHSCALPER version 5.2 today, March 2021. You can see right here. To order the TOUCHSCALPER boat, visit www.touchscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng, and for those who don't have a trading account, use this link to sign up for a free trading account to test all our strategies on demo before you go live. And here are the links to subscribe to our channels. Subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. So let's get back to the trading. Don't forget, we are trading the Volatility 25 index. We are using the web trader, and this is our second strategy for today. It's March 2021. Once you've logged into the web trader, you go to trade, then you go to synthetic indices, you click on Volatility 25 index, then you choose the touch no touch, then you set the durations to 10 ticks, then the barrier offset is plus 0.12. then you open the chart as well. You go to chart, then you click on synthetic. Is down there, so I will click on purchase. I'm going to explain that to you after the trade. You can see it has already touched it. That touched this. We won that trade already, and we made about 36 point something %. So I'm going to explain this chart. Once you open the chart, you go to synthetic indices, you click on Volatility 25 index, then you set the time to 1 tick. Once you set the time to 1 tick, you have to move this thing very close to be at the middle. You have to drag it very close for you to be able to see the line movement. If you don't drag it close, you'll be seeing this worm movement here. So you have to drag it very close for you to see the line. So once this thing drops down, you have to be fast with it. You click on purchase. Once it drops down, you click on purchase. So as you can see, our first trade, it drops down before I click on purchase, so we're making 36.1%. Let's go for a few trades before we proceed to the next strategy for today. You can see it's down there, but the movement is sluggish, so I'm going to wait a bit. It's down, so I clicked on purchase. So let's watch. So as you can see, it touched it, though it took a little bit long, but you can see it touched it. So you can wait for it to have something like a zigzag movement before you click on that purchase when it's down. So let's go for our last trade before we proceed to the next strategy. Let's just watch again. You can see this zigzag movement. Once it's down, you just click on purchase. So you can see it's up, so you have to wait. It's down again. You can see the speed was so fast. So let's watch. You can see you already touched it because the speed was so fast, so I quickly click on purchase. So you can go on and on and on. Just watch the chart movement carefully, then before you click on purchase, you have to be fast with it. Don't forget to drag this thing very close for you to be able to see the line movement. So you can see, like I told you, I dragged it towards the left side there. You can see the movement is like a warm movement. So when you drag it close, you'll be able to see the line movement. You can see the line movement again, so you have to drag it very close. Don't forget to share our channels on social media, and don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. And for those who haven't purchased the boats, the TOUCHSCALPER boats, the version 5.2 is out. Just visit www.touchscalper.technologies.com.ng. You can see the results. Then the PIPSREAPER boat has been updated as well on March 2021, and you can see the results right there. And don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. Thanks for watching. Bye.